Cancer, welcome to Gypsy Dora Tarot. Thank you for tuning in, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot to even just have a comment of a heart. Trying to navigate this has been a little difficult. I've been reading tarot cards for years. However, doing it on video has proven to be a bit of a challenge. So if there's a little bit of audio and camera issues, I do apologize in advance. Having said that, if you would like a personal reading from me, please go to the description box. I have my email address there, also my Amazon wish list, and Cash App if you choose to donate to the channel. I'm trying to get a good camera. So anyway, having said that, I won't take up much more of your time. Let's do your general love reading tonight for Cancer. Angels, spirits, ancestors, guides, please give me a clear and accurate reading for Cancer. Show us the overall energy for Cancer and their love life. Okay, I have two of them jumped out. We got, the Ten of Swords, Justice. Okay. Okay, 6 more cards, please. Spirit. Queen of Wands. Okay. 4 of Wands. Give me 4 more cards that I need to see here for the connection between Cancer and their person, please. Four more cards, please. Angel, spirits, guides. Queen of Swords. Got 2 queens on the table here. Oh, Queen of Pentacles? That's a lot of queens. Let's see, 2 more cards. Show us Cancer's energy, please. Two of Cups. Okay, this is interesting. Cancer. There's a lot of queens on the table. Are we dealing with a third party? Person of your person? Or is your ex in the picture kind of throwing just pain here? Someone's drowning in their emotions. Someone has been, I mean, this is the Ten of Swords. This is the ending of a bad chapter. One that was particularly painful, either for you, Cancer, or the person you're dealing with. All called on one of these people. I'm wondering if you have a crazy ex, if you're being Kanye'd, or if the other person is being, have a crazy ex. Because, you know, I tell you what, this Queen of Swords looks really fierce here. This might be your energy. Fed up with something, you know, you're telling this person, you better come at me with some truth or I will cut you out. Approach me with respect and you won't get hurt. somebody's stalking someone's social media, or they're just trying to find out something. They're searching for some truth here. Is that you? You know, I can be picking up on either your energy or your person's energy. So someone is trying to glean some information from something here. I'm thinking that there was a third party, someone has found out, or you're dealing with some crazy exes. I mean, this is soulmate or twin flame energy. And you know, twin flames can be very difficult. They can be very passionate and yet very painful. It's possible that you can get through this with the Two of Cups energy on the table and possibly make up and do this right. Of pain here, a lot of outside intervention. Queen of Wands. I mean, this is your party girl right here. She's like, let's go and have some fun. I'm sexy, look at me, you know what I mean? Like, let's go have some drinks, la la la. And then your Queen of Pentacles, of course, she's in her, getting her pentacles in a row. I mean, you could be dealing with, we got all the earth signs here on the table, air. Verify some cards here. Angels, spirits, guides. Why are all these queens on the table? Clarify the Queen of Swords, please. Clarify the Queen of Swords. Why is that energy here? Page of Cups. Eight of Wands. Someone's offering you an apology. Possibly asking you out for a drink. Asking to be heard. Wanting to give you their cup. Also probably blowing up your phone. I mean, person really messed some stuff up here, and you're let me see here. Clarify the Ten of Swords. Why is the Ten of Swords here? What happened? Oh my gosh, that's too many. That's way too many. Here. Angel, spirits, guides, please. Show me why the Ten of Swords is here. What is the Ten of Swords? For Cancer. Okay, that one flipped out. Ooh, Five of Cups. Yeah, someone is regretting something they said. Or they might be regretting talking to someone else. Something. This could also be you just kind of being a little pessimistic about everything, which I wouldn't blame you for. It's possible that guys, you know, when you had a fight, something was said, someone did the wrong thing. Action 2. And now they're regretting it. Lots of regret. I'm feeling lots of regret. I'm feeling some incoming, let me move this. Some incoming messages to you, some text messages coming. You might want to unblock this person if you want to hear what they have to say. Let's get some advice. Let's get, okay, possible outcome for this. We need possible outcome cards here. What is the possible outcome for this connection, angels, spirits, guides? For Cancer, what is the possible outcome for this connection, please? Give me 3 cards to show me that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The 3 of Cups. Two of Wands. Okay, there's this 2 of Wands again. Oh no, you had the 4 of Wands. 2 of Wands. Sorry about that. 2 of Wands. King of Cups. Could be Pisces, Scorpio. Someone who's been planning to talk to you for a while. They've set forth plans, but every time they pick up their phone, they're just kind of like, I want to talk to Cancer, but should I? Could I? Would I? Do you have a crush? Maybe somebody crushing on you. Someone who would love to take you out and celebrate. In your inner circle. I don't see this as a third-party situation. However, I'm not sure if it is, honestly. You can't take that off the table with this card. I mean, completely. Already involved with other people, just kind of like wanting someone else in this reading. I don't know. I want to keep getting that in this reading because there's so many people. A new connection, someone with this that's more compassionate, for one. Someone who is in tune with his feelings. I say he, you know, this could be any, it's just, you know, the energy from the card. Guys, it could be a male or female. This person is just very in tune with their emotions. They offer you a cup of love. They're dreamy. They are sensitive and empathetic and just very in touch with their intuition, and that's really what you need now, Cancer. I mean, you need someone like that in your life. So advice from the angels, Spirit. Can we get advice from the angels? What advice do you have for Cancer? Show us the advice you have for Cancer, please. Show me 3 cards that I need to see. Show me 3 cards that I need to see, please. 3 cards. I love these cards, but boy, are they hard to shuffle. These angel cards. I have tiny hands. It's like I can't even get around the cards. Okay, there's one card. Okay, King of Pentacles. Two more cards, please. Okay, there's one. One more card, please, angels. Show me your advice. Ooh, okay, two more came out, so we'll go ahead and keep those. Oh, I can grab them. Okay, advice from Spirit. The Empress. I mean, treat yourself. Treat yourself. I mean, give birth to your dreams. Manifest. Journal. If you don't do that right now, it's so therapeutic. It really is. Write down your goals. Write down a list of gratitude, things that you're grateful for. And it could be just something as simple as, hey, I got out of bed today and I swept the floor. But just show gratitude for the things that you do have in your life. It's so wonderful because it puts you on a frequency to receive more blessings. And what's, that's really a beautiful thing. 'Cause that's you kind of talking, interacting with the universe, right? They're saying to nurture yourself too. Take those baths. Go buy some expensive bath salts and bath bubbles and I don't know. Go get your nails and toenails done. I mean, get your hair did. Just go out, buy those shoes, splurge. The Ace of Swords. Did I get that before? I didn't. The Ace of Swords have been coming out in almost every single reading, I'm telling you. It's been in every reading, but I don't think it was, okay. I swear I saw it here, but... I mean, you're going to gain some clarity from this situation, so... Take your time. It's also saying you're going to get a brilliant idea or an inspiration. If you're an artist, if you're like a writer, a singer, a painter, you're going to get inspiration from this. So like I was saying earlier, if you're sitting down, you're journaling, do some writing or take that energy and apply it to a passion of yours. You're also going to be seeing the truth of this situation, of course, and it's going to be a new beginning for you. It's going to be a little rocky at first, but do know that you're going to get through it, and then you're going to have the Three of Pentacles. This is a beautiful card because this is, again, a card of creativity. This is you channeling this situation, your feelings, into something that you're going, something beautiful you might just give birth to. I mean, and you might be recognized for it. It's a high quality work that you may be doing. I'm not sure what you do for a living, but if it's on the creative side, some of you guys might make something, your David may come of this, may, sculpt your David from this situation. Recognition and also a union of sorts. You might make some new friends and get together with them and do something wonderful. Maybe start a side business, a side hustle or something. That could happen. Anything's possible. So the angels are telling you to hang in there, things get better, and thank you so much, Cancer, for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and good night.